Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by installing the Amazon Alexa app and signing in with your Amazon credentials. Once done, grant microphone access so Alexa can hear you, location for routines, and notifications so alerts arrive. Make sure background app refresh is on and Bluetooth permissions are allowed for device discovery. After permissions, open the app and complete the quick setup prompts. This primes Alexa to respond and find devices. Now you're ready to move into linking services and building shortcuts for faster access. Next, link the accounts you'll use. Tap Settings, then Music and Calendar to connect Spotify, Apple Calendar, or others. Once linked, go to Devices and tap the plus icon to discover smart lights, plugs, and cameras. Follow on-screen pairing for each device. Then create a Siri shortcut that opens Alexa or triggers a routine. Open Shortcuts in Alexa, choose the action, and add to Siri with a phrase you'll remember. This bridges Siri to Alexa and streamlines hands-free usage on your iPhone. To finish, run a few tests. Open the Alexa app and say basic commands like asking for the weather or controlling a light. Confirm responses and device actions. Customize by adding the Alexa widget to Today View or setting back tap to launch Alexa for instant access. If something goes wrong, first verify iPhone volume and microphone permission for the Alexa app, then restart the app and your phone. If problems persist, reinstall the app. This clears corrupted settings and usually fixes lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.